Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It would be our first topic for of the subject sociology for class 12th today on 12th of June 2020. The first chapter of our book is or of our syllabus is demography and society. We will be dealing with this in this chapter, and today we shall discuss concept of demography. My dear students, what is demography? डेमोग्राफी क्या है? आसान भाषा में या आसान ज़ुबान में हम कहेंगे डेमोग्राफी is the study of population, or we can say demography is the systematic study of population. आबादी के मुताला को हम in sociology demography कहते हैं. आबादी के एदाद व शुमार को हम the statistics of population is called the demography. What I have written here is demography is the systematic study of population. हम जब population आबादी के मुतलिक मुताला करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे, तो इसको हम sociology में या generally we call it demography. The term demography has been derived from two Greek words. This term has been derived from two Greek words. It's made up of two words, Greek words. Demos means people and graphy means describe. It means to describe. When we collectively or jointly use these two words, it means to describe people. So demography studies the trends and processes associated with population, including change in population size, pattern of births, deaths and migrations, and also the structure and composition of population. In demography studies, what we study is the trends. That means the directions, that means the inclination, that means the ways how the population changes, or how it grows, or how it declines in some societies. It all comes under this demography, and we study the processes associated with the population, including change in population, how the population changes. How does it change, my dear students? It changes through births, deaths, migrations. Then size, we study the size of the population, pattern of births, deaths and migrations. We all study about this, and all these factors affect its structure and composition. What is the composition of the population? It is the how the population is with sex wise, age wise. So all this comes under this. Now let's proceed, my dear students. Demographic data are important for the planning and implementation of state policies, especially with those economic development and general public welfare. How comes this demographic handy for the state policies or for the administrators is that it becomes convenient for them to apply to implement their policies regarding the population, regarding the people, because there is already the collected data about the population. So subject matter of demography. The demography can be divided into formal demography, in which the process of birth, death, marriage and divorces are included. It comes under the formal demography. We study it formally. So then comes the informal demography, in which age groups, sex ratio, size and composition of population are included. It's the informal type of demography. Here comes the word sex ratio. It means the number of females per 1,000 males in a given area of a specific time or for a specific period. Age group means how much are the youth old like that. Size, we also understood it, what is the size of the population, how big or small is the population, and composition of the population are included under it. All demographic studies, that is all the studies, all on the process of studies, are based on the process of counting. My dear students, demography, the foremost step in it is we count the population. Counting, such as the census or the survey, which involve the systematic collection of data on the people residing within a specific territory. एक टेरिटरी, एक एरिया में कितने लोग रहते हैं, इसके लिए हम सेंसस करते हैं. In India, the census is being done after every 10 years, and the collection of data is being carried out meticulously and authenticatedly. So we understand the term demography as the study of human population. अब हमने क्या समझा मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, डेमोग्राफी में हम आबादी के मुतल्लिक मुताला करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं. The term was first time used by French scholar Gillard in 1885 in his book Elements de Statue Humani. Gillard की एक किताब थी जो 1885 में लिखी गई है, उसमें उसने फर्स्ट टाइम जो ये टर्म है डेमोग्राफी का इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आई होप you must have learned some idea about the term demography. Inshallah, in the next following topics or lectures, we shall discuss more about this, where we have to understand variables or indicators of the demography, then trends of the demography. That will be inshallah next topic. Till then, assalamu alaikum.